Welcome to Rusty Crusty Classics in collaboration with Hudson Autofilms. Charlie's Nova needs a new engine, so I'm off to find one. We're on our way to Lydney in Gloucestershire, where I think we have a 1.7 Alfa engine. Fingers crossed it's actually in good condition. We're looking at possibly a fuel injected motor. It's nicely painted. It's got some blue silicon and white silicon hoses on, so you never know. It might actually be quite well looked after. But we'll inspect it, we'll check it out, hopefully get a head or two off, check the balls, and if it's any good, we'll be looking at getting a good price for it and get it fitted in the Nova. So fingers crossed, update soon. I met up with Martin in Lydney in Gloucestershire, and before we viewed the engine, there were a few things to look at of interest. So you said this was for sale, yeah?
Yeah, I might as well use it myself. Here we go.
Well, let's give it a test drive while we're here.
Yeah, well, need it in a low gear first. Then a high gear, there we go. There you got force feedback and 74 games, which can be expanded. Another thing can be put in it to give it another couple hundred games, which are much sort of newer ones. This being proper old school, but yeah, there's plenty which are much newer games, but I just love it for Outrun, to be honest.
Well, why not? Who wouldn't?
Especially when it's playing this particular song. I refuse to play Outrun if it's not playing Magical Sound Shower. Listen now.
Classic.
Bloody great piece of music.
Kids nowadays, they haven't got this.
Look, and I got them
this
skills.
to play with, have they? I've still
Look
got
at
the
them
skills. Still mastering it.
After all these years.
Oh dear.
Oh,
Wipe
he
out.
said he was
Wipe
once
out.
so proud.
Well, you tried, didn't you?
I tried, but I failed.
So we've got other stuff in here. Let's just have a quick look around.
Yeah, well, you have an apocalypse response bicycle.
Yeah, that's
as everyone needs.
Well, when the apocalypse comes, what are you going to do without it?
Well, exactly, and you've got it all going on there.
Yeah. Is it electric or is it?
Oh, that's very much electric.
Very much electric.
Very powerful. It's got a brand new conversion in there.
Nice.
I mean, feel free to have a look in the 80's video shop.
And here we've got the
mess.
We've got the video shop, obviously. Well, everyone needs a video shop, don't they?
Yes,
exactly. Where else are you going to keep your videos?
Definitely.
Another arcade game over there, Prop Cycle.
Oh God, that one's brilliant. That one's never going to be for sale. If that one's for sale, it's because, I don't know, I've died and people don't know what to do with it.
God, the big track.
Absolutely.
Who doesn't remember the big track from back in the day?
Absolutely wonderful.
Yeah. Blimey.
Well, while you're at it...
Have you got a speak and spell over here?
Oh, I wish I had a speak and spell.
No? None of those?
Might as well.
ZX80? Any of those hanging around?
Yes.
Yeah.
ZX80 around here in the box somewhere.
We love the ZX80.
You might as well get these bad boys.
Yeah, that's what we've got in here. Now they're off for a run. If only exercising was that easy, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're for sale as well, are they?
Yeah,
How marvellous.
Adidas branded red Stormtrooper.
Yeah. Does he come with free trainers?
Well, this is the thing. I'm going to put him with proper red trainers. At the moment, he's wearing two different types of boots, one of which has blood all over them. It's not real blood.
It's not the Commodore 64, is it? What is it?
That one's a Vic 20.
Vic 20 before the Commodore 64. My God, I almost got one of those, but got a 64 instead.
For you, that was my second one.
This is like a child's paradise from the early 80s.
Yeah.
You haven't got a little tiny TV, have you? One of those little Casio TVs with a 1-inch screen or something.
Yeah.
God.
Feel free to come upstairs and
It's all a bit crazy, isn't it? It's all a little bit crazy.
Got some Egyptian stuff as we go up the stairs.
Oh, hello.
And then you've got Yoda's little home.
Yeah, is Yoda in today or is Yoda out?
He's out. He's popped a little.
Yeah, that's a good idea actually.
And then in here in the
bit
sort
cheaper
of
there.
studio gym room.
There it is.
Sinclair is
The
what you want.
Sinclair flat screen
None of
TV.
your Casios.
Yes, God, I remember when those came out. My
And a
God.
mini Commodore 64.
We all wanted one. Does any of that work, or is it?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
It's operational.
Let me just turn that one off.
Somebody answered the phone. Yeah, you've got a collection. Definitely a good collection.
Nice little corgis down there.
But I believe we're here to look at an engine.
Yes.
I think it's something to do with an Alfa.
Yes.
We
They
could get
came from a Nova kit car, which is so random.
sidetracked, especially at the shoes as well.
Platform
My
shoes
goodness.
with goldfish in them.
Goldfish platform shoes. We never see those anymore. Why not? I don't know.
Well, everyone needs a pair. I actually have two. I just couldn't believe I saw them. I actually have a
doesn't
set
surprise
still
me.
in the box. Let's go and have a look at the engine. Oh, there's always a caravan.
Yeah, Reliant Robin van for sale if anyone wants one. Trotters Independent Trading. Apparently that means something.
And a very cool caravan.
Looks a bit marshmallowy.
Yeah. If you look round the other side, you will see it's a champagne and cocktail bar.
Oh yes.
I was
Marvellous.
working as a
Wait,
waitress in a
yes.
champagne and cocktail bar that was made of
Back in
marshmallow.
1981, yes.
And that's a wet bike, James Bond's wet bike. It's very lovely.
It is actually the one, is it? Or is it a replica?
It's identical.
Oh, the identical replica.
So,
Does it sort of work, or is it
very much sort of works.
Yes.
Wonderful thing.
good fun in the wet?
Ludicrous fun, but you wouldn't wear a full Admiralty suit like he wears in the film whilst doing it. You're going to get your trousers
You get a bit wet on that. Yeah, fair enough. Interesting place you have here anyway. It seems to have everything for the discerning collector, including an old, I'm going to get it wrong if I say Montego.
Watch what happens when I walk past the Model X Tesla.
Yeah.
Oh, that poor car.
Just going to have a quick...
It's only got 50,000 on the clock.
It is the Montego 2 litre EFI. That's the one to have.
Yeah.
I can see the engine over there now. Right, so what we're going to do with this engine then? That's the question. So looking up the engine number, it's an Alfa 33 1.7 IE, 110 horsepower. So that'll do. Let's have a look at the condition of it. I don't have no spark plugs in, so it's going to be easy to have a peek in there. The lack of spark plugs makes that very easy. I think what we'll do is we'll get the camera out on the Wiggly Woo and stick it in the holes and see if it looks alright inside. That should give us a good indication of the standard of the engine. So a little bit of that in a second. So, with a good old Aldi Lucky C camera. So let's have a look at the cloth down there. Let's stick that in the hole, see what it shows us. Piston must be at top dead centre. So I'm going in far. Let's put some torch on. So what we're looking at here is the inside of the rear cylinder, that's number 2. And there's the piston. Looks like the piston's got a few little nicks in it, but looking at the bore, if we get in close, let's see if it'll show us. I did see some scratches. Let's have a look inside. I don't know if you can see those on there, but there seem to be some scratches. There we go. And just make them out in the bore there, along with the nicks. Possibly that's a scored bore. So turning the engine over, we can see in here that the main bearings are missing, which means the block is probably unusable. They're taken out, which if they're not with the engine, then the block is scrapped because it's no use.
Right.
Without those, because they're matched.
That.
They're matched into the block. They're all machined together.
Mm.
It's all put together, machined, and then crank fitted, and it all matches together as one unit.
Right.
And the problem with that, having no main bearings, is it can't run. This block can't be used. That's a shame.
Mm.
The crank looks alright though. You don't know if they're hanging around anywhere, do you?
What's that?
Don't know if the main bearings they look like that.
No,
They've got zigzag edges. So unfortunately, as it stands, it's got about as much use to us as half a chocolate teapot.
Nice paperweight though.
It'd be a beautiful paperweight and also an anchor. Now you're going to get a boat.
The colours, Spider-Man colours.
See, the colours
Red
are
and blue,
and with white on top is quite nice.
Yeah.
Red, white, and blue. Yeah, someone was very patriotic there.
Yeah.
But it can't be £200 as it stands just because the block is no use. We don't need the crank.
Yeah,
We
I
don't
can see
need the
that.
heads because they're hydraulic tappets and they're the wrong size for the 1.5. All that's of use perhaps is the pistons and this thermostat cover.
That's the best bit. I was thinking of keeping that. 75 quid, you can have a lot.
75? I think we can do 75.
Yes.
Nice one, mate. Nice one. So we've been to see Martin in Lydney, and the engine wasn't quite what we expected. There was no sump, and unfortunately, there was no main bearing caps. So what we have really is a block that probably is no use, a crank from 1.7, got pistons, possibly can be some use, thermostat housing, that was needed, hydraulic cylinder heads, or hydraulic tappet cylinder heads, they're not much use. But in all terms of engineering, it's overcoming and solving the problems. That's what we need to do. So there will be a way somehow. We've just got to find that way and make it work. So the grand sum of £75, we've got ourselves a set of pistons. Whether or not they're decent pistons, that's going to be found out when they get them out of the bores. But at least there's a set of pistons that can be used in the 1500 block at the very least. So a bit more investigating, a bit more stripping down, a bit more checking, and we'll probably be able to come up with a plan. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, all those good things. We'll see you soon.